You guys ready? We're gonna,
Yeah.
Miss Helen Mackey is Harold Easter's mom, and she's got a few things she wants to say. And Andrell Mackey is Harold's sister, and she has a few things as well. So, Miss Helen?
Oh, I just wanted to say that I'm just grateful, and I love my son, and I miss him every single day. And mothers shouldn't have to bury no child, but nothing he has done today makes a difference. I still miss him.
Today's decision does not bring my brother back. I miss him. I miss him every day, every second, every minute, every hour, every day. But I'm still angry. I'm still upset. It doesn't bring him back, but at the same time, if he would have been treated like a person with respect, we wouldn't be here today. We would still be here with us. I just feel like if they would have followed their policy, their correct protocol that they were sworn in to do, we wouldn't be here. So.
If I may.
Yeah, if you guys have any questions.
Yes. Miss Mackey, first, forgive me. Spell your name.
Andrell.
Mackey. The police chief wants all the officers involved fired. Is that enough?
I'll answer this. Everything's difficult. There's no easy decisions in this. Terminating the officers, bringing charges, there's no easy decisions. It's very difficult. We are pleased, as we said last week, we're pleased that there is some level of accountability. There were violations of policies, there's violations of just how we treat each other as human beings, and I think that's what the Chief Jennings' decision reflects, is that there's some accountability and things should have been done differently. And had they been done differently, we would not be here, that Harold would be home with his family this morning.
Were you expecting the DA's decision to be what it was? Either you, Alex, or the family?
Were y'all expecting? I don't think. No, we didn't know what to expect. I mean, truthfully, as we've talked about all along, every decision we make is difficult. We know that DA Merriweather had a very difficult decision. They did a thorough investigation and we respected it. But we just, I think the family was very prayerful going into it and looked at it from that aspect. As we said at the hearing on the body-worn cameras, supporting that video coming out is incredibly difficult. Talking about this is difficult. You're talking about the death of a family member that the whole world is going to see in its violent terms, and that's not easy. They don't want to be out here on the street talking about this. They want to be home with their son, with their brother, with their dad, and so they take it from that standpoint as hopefully some good can come out of this and it won't ever happen again. But there's not easy days. There's not easy decisions for anybody involved.
Can I ask if you've seen the video? If they've seen the video?
I have seen the video. Yes.
And the family has seen it?
Yes, and the family's seen it. Yeah, we've all seen the videos. They're hard to watch.
What is next for you all?
Right now, we're going to go back and we're just going to reflect on this decision. We'll get the tapes will be publicly released next week, and we're talking about day by day. We are talking to the city of Charlotte to talk about how we can move forward and make sure this doesn't happen to anybody else, and that's one of our main focuses.
What ultimately do you think was the reason your loved one wasn't helped?
Ooh. That's a very difficult question. We don't know why he wasn't helped. He was pleading for help over and over from the very beginning, and they didn't help him. They knew that he needed help in our view, and they left him there. Frankly, they handcuffed him to the ground and left him there, his feet to the floor, and left him there for an hour while he's pleading for help. And that's really tough as a human being to watch anybody go through that, much less a son and a brother. Just something nobody should have to do. We shouldn't treat each other that way. And I think that's what made Jennings come to the decision he came to last week, is this is not how we treat each other as humans. And that's our role. He said earlier, when you're in our custody, you're in our care. And Mr. Easter was in their care and they didn't give it to him.
After the termination and the policy changes that we've seen because of this incident, is there anything else that the family would like the department to do next, or further steps in that way?
I think there's implementation of the policy. They had policies in place that would have prevented this, that treating each other as human beings, but it wasn't followed, it wasn't implemented. So it's continued training, a little more discussion on those issues, and do a better job at it.
Anything else the family would like to say the last moment of this? Just miss them.
Thank you all very much.
Thank
for
you.
your work.
Thank you.
Are there any new photos you all could share with us, Harold?
We do have